we reflect upon the power of education, responding to the needs of a changing world. We learn to adapt to ways in which we can reconnect, aspiring to rise against all odds, working together with a common purpose to continue the journey of learning, research and excellence. At Riphah International University, we invite you to be part of our journey, to join an engaging, collaborative community of students who share your vision of success, your passion to lead, to innovate. This is your time to reshape the future, to inspire, to excel, to rise with Riphah. Admissions open in over 100 degree programs across campuses in Islamabad, Lahore and Malakand. Apply online at admissions.riphah.edu.pk or call 033 11 000 111.